you see, we're removing a damaged riser. We had to dig all the way down to where it separates. And now we're going to place a new one and secure it. Should be fun. Hole out of it. It's looking pretty good. Nice and secure. The puppy ain't going nowhere. Very rigid. Whereas that thing is stroking. What's that, boss lady? Double it up to get it just above the ground level. That's per DEQ regulation. Much more secure. Gonna let one much less leaves in. That was the problem with this broken side is letting lots of leaves in and other dirt and grass and stuff. Now that will not be a problem. And you know, these flimsy things dangerous too. Big dog or somebody steps on it could fall right in. Not with these suckers.